Title: How to connect the Beltone TV-Streamer Plus to the TV. Logo: Beltone. On a table is a black audio cable with red, white, and black plugs, a black audio cable with one plug, a black USB cable, and a black Beltone TV streamer. A left hand is holding the TV streamer box to show the two plug outlets. A right finger points to the right side flat outlet, shows a USB cord and then plugs it into the outlet. The finger then points to the left side round outlet and a white graphic circle appears around it. A round point plug is presented and the screen is split in two, showing two versions of plugging in the wire, either digital audio in on the left side or audio in on the right side, as noted on the screen. The back of the TV's plug outlets is shown and a finger points to the top USB outlet. White graphics appear of a circle around the outlet and next to it the icon for electricity. A hand brings up the USB end of the cable and plugs it into the corresponding outlet. The screen then splits into two. On the left side a finger points to a square outlet noted as digital audio out and is circled in white by a graphic. On the right side the finger points to two round outlets, one colored white and the other colored red, and noted as audio out and circled in a white graphic. On the left side a hand plugs one black audio cable into the square outlet, while on the right side screen a hand plugs two round red and white colored cables into their respective colored outlets. Logo: Beltone. Text: 2023 GN Hearing AS. All rights reserved. Beltone is a trademark of GN Hearing AS.